In this video, I'll be giving an introduction to Onshape. Onshape is a cloud-based CAD program, which means you run it directly through a web browser rather than installing it. Because it's online, you can log in and work on your projects from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet access. I'm currently using the free version of Onshape. With it, you're limited to public documents only, and it's not allowed for commercial use. If you need private files or professional features, you'd have to upgrade to the paid plan. Now let's take a quick look at the interface. The top toolbar contains your tools. The options shown here will change depending on whether you're sketching, modeling in 3D, or working in an assembly. On the left side, there's the feature tree where every sketch, part, or operation you create will appear. Along the bottom, you'll find tabs for assemblies and parts. By default, there's one of each, but you can add more as needed. The large center area is your workspace. You can move around using the mouse or trackpad. There's also a navigation cube in the corner that lets you snap to different views. To demonstrate, I'll walk through making a basic part. The first step is always creating a sketch. You start by selecting a sketch plane. Here, I'll pick the top plane. Clicking the top of the view cube aligns the camera so we're looking straight down at the sketch. Once in sketch mode, you'll see a new toolbar at the top. For now, the main tools we'll use are the line, rectangle, circle, and dimension tools. I'll begin with a rectangle. Notice it appears in blue. This means it's underdefined, so it can still move freely. To lock it down, we'll add dimensions. Using the dimension tool, click an edge, then place the dimension. You can type in exact values. When both sides are defined, the rectangle turns black, showing it's fully constrained. With the sketch finished, hit the check mark to confirm it. You'll now see the sketch listed in the feature tree on the left. To perform an extrude, you'll need to choose either the whole sketch or just part of it. Since we only have one sketch right now, I'll go ahead and select that. Next, we set the extrusion depth. I'll make this one 20 millimeters. If you want to keep building onto the model, you can either create additional sketches or use other operations available here. These are just the fundamental tools in Onshape for creating parts. Of course, there are plenty of other features we'll explore later. For now, I hope this gave you a solid starting point and that you picked up something useful from this video.